Welcome to another episode of Digital Marketing Tips. My name is Sakwe Emiola with Digital Marketing Skill Institute, and in today's episode of Quick Tips, we'll be talking about the ultimate guide to making money as a freelancer in Nigeria. So come with me. One of the questions that people ask, is what exactly is freelancing? Who are freelancers? A freelancer is somebody that works for one or two companies at the same time on a contract basis, and most of the time remotely, right? They can provide a wide array of services, and they bring also a wide array of skills to the table. It can be technical support, administrative support to businesses, advertising, publicity, and a whole lot more. Every business or every service, can hire a freelancer to work for them, as long as the person is not, traditionally employed by this company. Freelancing is an attractive way of life. The autonomy, the freedom, and the quality of life that it brings to the people that practice this profession, is very attractive. And there are a lot of beginners. One of their worries is that, how do I start as a freelancer? How do I make money? How do I get my clients? And a lot of things like that. But before we address any of these questions, I would like you to think about the following. Why do you want to freelance? Is freelance really for you? Have you thought about it? And are you comfortable with being uncomfortable? What are you passionate about? What do you really want to do? Because on the long run, if you choose to freelance because every other person is doing it, you might get burnt out and drop off, which is not good. So in the course of this session, I'll be talking about breaking down, and explaining why you should get a purpose first before you go ahead and freelance. Talking about why you want to freelance. Are you tired of commuting to work? You need to be able to establish that fact before you decide to freelance. Is that why you want to freelance? Because, the commute is so tedious and you want a way to work remotely. If that's the case, then maybe you should go for it. All right. And are you just looking to expand your professional horizon? You need to establish that fact as well as one of the reasons why you want to freelance, so that you can, just suppose and be sure that this is the right thing for you to do at this time. Pursuing freelance for the wrong reasons will make it difficult for you to keep going when the going gets tough. Another question you need to ask yourself is that, can you afford to freelance? Freelancing holds, tremendous opportunities for you to break first. However, in the process of setting up your business, it might take months or even, sometimes a year before the revenue streams continue to flow consistently. So in the course of trying to set up your business and, spending money to fund it, can you afford it? This is a very valid question for you to ask yourself before you go ahead with freelancing. The question you need to answer before you go ahead with freelancing is to ask yourself, am I comfortable with being uncomfortable? Sometimes, and majorly, freelancing can be really uncomfortable because you do not know where the next paycheck is coming from. If you are able to determine that you can put up with that and not ask yourself, what the heck am I doing, and drop off, then you can go ahead with freelancing. But make sure you answer the question, am I comfortable with being uncomfortable? If you're good with that, then fine, you can go ahead with freelancing. One very important question that you also need to ask yourself, before you go ahead with freelancing, is to say, what am I really good at? This is where a lot of people get stuck, because in a freelancing world, you can offer a wide array of services to people and to businesses. So you need to ask yourself, what am I really good at? What am I passionate about? What will set me apart in the freelancing world? And what is my unique selling proposition that will make clients always come to me? This is very important for you to establish before you go freelancing. Do you want to be in marketing? Do you want to offer, administrative services to people? Do you want to, just really decide on what you want to do as a freelancer, the type of services you want to offer, and that will really help you to succeed. Career to go on with. I would like us to go through some advantages and disadvantages of freelancing, so that you really, are sure that you want to take it on before you go ahead. One advantage of freelancing is that you are your own boss. You choose your schedule, your rates, you choose the type of clients and the number of clients you decide to take on. Another advantage of freelancing is that you have the ability to pay less in tax. Since you're not employing a large workforce, you're not buying company properties and a lot of things like that, you have the ability to pay less and less in tax, which is very attractive, for somebody that is a freelancer. And also, another advantage of freelancing is that you can make more money. Freelancing is high risk and high reward. You have the opportunity to make, a lot of money. Another advantage of going freelancing is that you have a better work-life balance. Instead of commuting and staying, long time in traffic, you can choose where to work and at places. You can choose to work at places close to home, chill around your environment, and essentially just have a better work-life balance than somebody that has to report in a traditional environment. Having talked about the advantages of freelancing, which is quite attractive, I like us to also discuss the disadvantages. As a freelancer, you are the big boss with the big voice. Everything rests on you, rests on your shoulder. You are the leader. If things go bad, it's on you. So you're responsible for everything. You are the big boss with the big voice. Another one is that you have to organize your own benefits, your taxes, your accounting. Basically, like, you're literally a jack of all trades. You have to learn and to do a lot of things for yourself instead of depending on an employer to do for you, if you're in a traditional employment. With freelancing, you have to know how to arrange your taxes, arrange your accounting, because essentially no one will pay you or do these things for you except to do them for yourself. As a freelancer, for example, if you fall sick today as a freelancer, your income also stops, right? So that's also some of the cons that you should consider before you decide to go ahead and become a freelancer. No work, no pay. When we were talking about the advantages of freelancing, we talked about better work-life balance for freelancers. This work-life balance can also come as a con because it can also be unstable, right? A lot of things can happen that can affect and trump your work-life balance, life as a freelancer, right? So it's also very important that the work-life balance that you project as a freelancer is also very unstable. A lot of things can happen that can trump this work-life balance. Things are unstable, right? So you need to be able to analyze all these things, think about the pros and cons of being a freelancer before you decide that, freelancing is for me or freelancing is not for me. So having said all this, if you think that freelancing is still a career that you want to explore, keep watching.